No, you're not seeing double. This is two radios from Jeff's collection that he brought me to show you. And I showed you this one. This is the Sangean WR-11 AM/FM DSP muting while tuning radio. This one is the earlier version. I think it's earlier. This is the WR-11-SE non-DSP, no muting. I'll show you right now.
Where did she vanish? Like, I don't know where she went.
What it creates, Jack, is chaos in society.
Okay, it's not connected to an external antenna for FM. It does have, I guess, because it implies it does, with a switch on the back, it has an internal FM antenna and AM antenna. There's a switch on the back so that you can switch it to external F antenna, and then there's a connector. Also, there's connectors on the back for a medium wave AM band antenna, just like this one here. Now, another thing that's surprising, both of these are available on Amazon. This one, the DSP one, is $88. This one is $96. And they say this is, I think they classify this as a collector's item. That's why the price is higher, I guess. There's also a WR-16, looks very similar, almost identical, except it includes Bluetooth, and it's $120. There's also an SC118, which has Bluetooth and it has USB phone charging capability. That's $120. So these are quite popular. I like the style, very easy to read dial. The dial is illuminated, and then depending on the band, it's illuminated over here. This is the indication that you've locked on to a station. This is off, to turn the radio off, FM and AM volume. I would show you them operating at the same time, except Jeff only gave me one AC cord, so I can only operate one. I'll tune this a little bit just to kind of show you how it works. Let me turn the volume up. Again, I have no external antenna. If you want to see the connections on the back, you can go to this video that I did a couple of days ago and see all the connections on the back.
You might have mentioned it in your book.
Excellent sound.
Fleet has mentioned it many times. There's a story of this school teacher who,
The cabinet here is a little lighter. It's not lighter weight-wise. It's heavy, very heavy. This is AM band.
New rate at 40% protection.
Yep, gotta get off of that. Now what I can do, just for a quick test, turn this off, make sure I get it off. I can move the power cord, and I can show you the back at the same time. See, the backs are identical. This one's a darker color, this is a lighter color. This will look, I like the lighter color better. But here's the antenna connections, all the same, auxiliary connections, everything's the same. Okay, oh boy, I'm getting weak. Okay, now we got power for that one. I probably have a cord like this. This is not anything special, but yeah, then again, I gotta find it. Okay, so we can turn this one on now. And now you don't You don't notice the muting while tuning on AM. Let me go to FM.
Wouldn't it be nice to win free groceries?
See, it's very fast. It's very fast response when it's muted, so it's not annoying. This radio, the muting while tuning, is very good. It's not annoying, but it is a DSP receiver. Probably, I'm guessing. I can say I don't have a separate cord for the other one, so I can test them side by side. But I'm guessing the reception on this one is probably a little better than this one, since it does have that DSP tuner. I could be wrong. Let me see if I can do one test, and I got to get off music, of course. We go down here. Got to get away from music.
He was outraged.
Okay.
And he told Muhammad,
I believe that
okay, since you
is WUSF in Tampa. That's usually what I use for a test on FM. So that was coming in loud and clear. We'll go to this one quickly. We'll tune down there at 97.9. Turn it on. Turn the volume up. Yeah, see, it doesn't get it. Not picking it up. Yeah, it would be right in here.
have a bite to eat,
There it is.
and then Muhammad recognizes that his father doesn't recognize him.
There it is.
So then Muhammad
Yeah.
teaches him a lesson in his own
Audio is
way.
beautiful. So the reception is the same. We DSP and non-DSP. It appears the reception is the same. Okay, that's about it. I want to thank Jeff for loaning these radios from his collection. And I think he brought me about 15 this time, which I'm going to be showing to you. These two are classic radios. These are classic radios. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.